Breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a warm golden light pulsating. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body, filling your entire body with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura, filling your entire aura with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in, filling the entire room with this golden warm light. Imagine that all your angels and guides and galactic families of light are all around you, sending you their love. Now, dear one, think of your desire, think of what it is that you envision for your life. Think of something that you wish to create and to bring forth into your experience. And as you contemplate what it is that you wish to bring forth, we invite you now to turn inward, inward, inward towards your heart center. And bring your attention to the source of all that is, to God, Creator. And connect with the source of all that is, the all-creating source. The source that created you, that created your planet, that created the universe and multiverse. Turn your attention towards the source of all that is, and see, feel, and perceive all that you wish to create flowing to you from the source of all that is. The all-creating force. Feel the love of Creator, the source of all that is, enfolding you and filling you. Feel the warmth, love, and light filling and enfolding you, streaming to you all good things, well-being in all areas of your life. Feel it filling every cell of your body, every fiber of your being. And you can begin to feel the feeling of experiencing this reality that you envision for your life. Intensify this feeling as you are receiving all that you envision from the source of all that is. And now expand and extend this energy, this feeling, this vision into your world. And see, feel, and perceive the vision that you hold come to life in your world. See all the smiling faces around you. See and feel everything filled with light, the light of Source through you. Feel yourself smiling. Feel the feeling of experiencing your vision for your life and for your world. And intensify this feeling. When you feel complete, fold this vision up, fold it up into a small package and bring it into your heart and breathe it in, anchoring it within your heart center. And know that whatever you wish to create comes from the source of all that is, God Creator. This will be your first point that you turn to whenever you wish to create anything. When you feel complete, come on back, wiggle your fingers and head, open your eyes. Welcome back, dear one.